Welcome to samaditech, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tools and the latest in technology. Explore our expertly curated collections featuring innovative tools tailored to meet the needs of every project imaginable. The REEKON M1 caliber is a perfect assistant for your miter saw, eliminating the need for manual measuring and marking and allowing you to work up to 3 times faster than traditional methods. It's compatible with nearly any miter, cutoff, or vertical band saw and easily manages angled, inclined, or straight cuts. The M1 caliber features a large backlit LCD display that shows measurements in both metric and imperial units. Installation is simple, just attach it to the saw fence, release the lever, and enter the blade thickness. This tool measures boards, composite materials, pipes, and more with precision, not just a convenient add-on. The M1 caliber transforms the cutting process, enhancing speed, accuracy, and ease for all your measuring and cutting tasks. The RIDGID Octane 18-volt cordless router is both compact and powerful, perfect for DIY projects and professional use. Being cordless, it provides excellent mobility while maintaining strong performance. Its brushless motor ensures a longer lifespan, improved efficiency, and smart electronics to optimize power output. The router includes a quick-release lever and a micro-adjustment dial for precise depth control, delivering enhanced accuracy. An integrated dust extractor connects to a vacuum to keep your workspace clean, while the soft start technology ensures smooth startups, minimizing surface nicks and extending motor life. This kit comes with round and square bases, a detachable dust extractor, an edge guide, a cutter, and a collate wrench, ready for versatile applications right from the box. For a reliable sawing tool, the Milwaukee 12-inch double-column sliding head miter saw is an outstanding choice, combining exceptional precision, power, and ease of use. Its locking mechanism allows for quick and accurate bevel angle adjustments, while the digital display provides repeatable accuracy to 0.1 degrees. Dual integrated lights enhance visibility by fully illuminating both the workpiece and cutting line on each side of the blade. With constant power technology and a soft start feature, the saw maintains a consistent cutting speed, even under load, which reduces head movement during startup. Additionally, the saw's dust extraction channel captures up to 75% of cutting dust, keeping the workspace cleaner and more efficient. Wolfcraft drilling template for electrical work simplifies the installation of sockets and switches in brick walls with precision and ease. Its standout feature is a built-in level that rotates 90 degrees, ensuring perfect horizontal and vertical alignment. The template includes markings for standard distances between mounting boxes, making it ideal for arranging multiple outlets or combining power, TV, and network jacks. Step-by-step illustrated instructions make it beginner-friendly, even for those new to electrical work. Constructed from durable materials with precise fittings, the template offers reliable alignment, and the level provides clear, accurate readings. HERZO dust cover makes using your angle grinder cleaner and safer by efficiently managing dust. Designed to fit most 4-inch, 4.5-inch, and 5-inch grinders, its standout feature is the swivel slide cover, which allows access to edges while maintaining effective dust collection. It includes 4 clamp washers of different thicknesses, ensuring a secure fit on various tools. The clamping system holds firmly in place, preventing movement or detachment during use. By connecting a vacuum cleaner, the cover directs harmful dust away from the air, keeping your workspace cleaner and safeguarding your health. RYOBI wireless speaker is a fantastic solution for construction sites or workshops. It allows you to connect over 100 speakers into a single system, but even one speaker impresses with its exceptional Bluetooth range, over 250 feet to the primary device and up to 150 feet between linked speakers. Delivering clear, crisp sound with well-balanced treble and bass, it avoids the rattling common in construction speakers. Powered for over 32 hours on a single charge, it easily lasts several work days without recharging. The built-in clamp secures up to 1 3/4 inches, while the swivel head and rotating base ensure easy mounting and precise sound direction wherever needed. Skil PWRCORE compact cordless circular saw is a lightweight yet powerful tool Designed for one-handed operation, its brushless motor delivers 6,000 RPM, ensuring high performance and extended durability. With a 4.5-inch blade, this compact saw easily tackles tough jobs, cutting 2x4 boards at a 90-degree angle in one cut, handling material 1 inch thick at 45 degrees, and equipped with a premium 24-tooth carbide blade for precision. It reduced the interruption. Built-in dust filters keep the cutting lines clear, providing better visibility and a cleaner work environment. Marking stops for angle iron are a simple yet highly practical tool. Their primary function is for marking stair treads. Attach these stops to a carpenter's square, and you've got a reliable template for consistent marking of steps once dimensions are set. They're also excellent for working with repeated angles. Just secure the stops on the angle, and you'll have a precise template for quick and accurate marking. Additionally, they double as a saw guide. Attach them to a board to achieve clean, straight, longitudinal cuts effortlessly. Graco Professional Paint Gun stands out as a powerhouse in painting equipment packed with impressive features. It includes the signature RACX 517 nozzle, a universal size for most painting tasks. The ProConnect system allows tool-free cartridge changes, saving valuable time during servicing. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, with an adjustable trigger for a customized grip and a handle that minimizes fatigue. The trigger lock is accessible on both sides, making it convenient for right or left-handed users. Additionally, the Easy Glide swivel connection prevents hose twisting, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted operation. STANLEY Smart Measure Pro is a versatile tool for measuring length, area, and volume with a built-in calculator for instant addition and subtraction of measurements. It boasts impressive accuracy with an error margin of just plus or minus millimeters and a range of up to 475 feet. Equipped with Bluetooth, it syncs seamlessly with your phone, tablet, or computer through the free Smart Measure Pro app, enhancing functionality. Measurements can be stored and shared in JPEG and PDF formats, making reporting simple. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it charges conveniently with the included USB cable. Ego Power Plus Nexus is a versatile portable power station designed for both home and outdoor use, even in varying weather conditions. Weighing 44 pounds, it delivers an impressive 3,000 watts of peak power and 2,000 watts of continuous power. Equipped with 3 120-volt outlets and 4 USB ports, it efficiently charges mobile devices and powers essential appliances. Its built-in backlit display provides crucial information, including runtime and charge levels. Powered by 2 rechargeable 7.5 amp-hour batteries, the Nexus is easy to transport thanks to its durable, ergonomic steel handles. HOTO Electric Screwdriver is a versatile and dependable tool for household tasks, offering an array of practical features. Powered by a 1,500 milliamp-hour battery, it charges conveniently via a USB-C cable. For ease of use, it includes built-in LED lighting to illuminate the workspace. With a maximum rotation speed of 220 revolutions per minute, a current capacity of 1 amp, and an operating voltage of 3.6 volts, it ensures efficient performance. The set includes 12 magnetized attachments, and its rubberized surface provides a secure grip. Weighing just 0.5 pounds, it is lightweight and comes with a protective plastic case. The screwdriver supports both electric and manual operation, and its smart sensor automatically shuts off the device in unsafe conditions for added safety. FarmMac 36-inch portable board saw is a user-friendly tool designed for quick installation and operation. Constructed from galvanized steel and high-quality aluminum, its durable build ensures dependable performance even during heavy use. Weighing 18.92 pounds, the saw features a 13-inch scale for precise measurements. Included in the package are 4 5.5-inch felling wedges, enhancing both safety and convenience. Clear, detailed instructions simplify the assembly process, ensuring you can set it up and start using it in no time. StripMeister is a compact device designed for quick and efficient wire stripping. Lacking a built-in power unit, it operates using a standard drill or screwdriver, offering enhanced convenience. Essentially, it functions as a sophisticated attachment for your screwdriver, capable of removing insulation from wires of nearly any complexity. Featuring ultra-grip wire feed technology, it untangles wires and boosts the power unit's torque, speeding up your tasks. Lightweight and portable, this tool is perfect for on-the-go use and accommodates wire diameters ranging from 0.08 to 0.79 inches. ToughBuilt Professional Household Scraper Knife is a versatile tool that seamlessly transitions from a fixed knife to a scraper with just a thumb press. It includes 5 universal blades, which are easily replaced at the push of a button and are compatible with most standard utility knives. The durable, non-slip rubber handle provides lasting comfort and a secure grip with a finger guard for added safety during cutting. In scraper mode, it's ideal for removing paint, putty, labels, and glue from surfaces like glass, mirrors, and tiles. When switched to knife mode, it precisely cuts through materials such as plastic, cardboard, carpet, vinyl, and rope. Additionally, it features a built-in paint can opener and a lanyard hole for easy storage and portability.